The Curie division finds itself at match number 74. Cheesy Poofs 254. Something to get immediately and a massive bump on the Red Alliance. Blue able to respond. Human player shots up and in. Parker Greenbacks for your Blue Alliance doing a double sweep to the center of the field. Last few shots go up and in for both alliances. The dust settles, and Red Alliance with a lead of 115 for the Blue Alliance 80. 254, making their way back to the center of the field. All field lanes of their robot, picking up more and boulders and underneath their far side trench. A falling to stockpile as 2053 for your Blue Alliance, waiting patiently to defend the Red Alliance. Their partners, Parker, Graybacks, and Saber, rapid field, putting it up and into their hub. Last 5 seconds of this first period for your Blue Alliance, and Graybacks trying to do one last volley. Few of those able to go up and in the count, but now your Red Alliance hub is back online. Octopus, Sassy Sai, up and in, 254. Under a barrage of defense from 60-45 for Robotics. You're able to break free and make the deposit. Over 240 points for your Red Alliance and driving. With a minute and 20 left to go. Action now shifts to the blue side of the field. 2053. Southern Tier Robotics, the Logan Blue robot over there. Putting fuel up and in. Parker, right behind him. Full wide shooter going up and in. Bringing their point differential down to 44 points. Last volley up during this period, and Red Alliance Hub, you are back online. And here come the Poofs. Volley to go up. Partners coming into the rescue to add in more fuel to their hub. Over 320 points. Approaching an energized RP. Good fuel up and in, and a bonus RP for your Red Alliance who regardless of the outcome of this match. And now it's a Blue Alliance making a charge, trying to come back into this match. Red Alliance having other things to say as 254 another volley. Octopus right behind them. Parker Graybacks make a statement, they shoot all point of the hub. 370 points to 425. Watch these shots up and in. That is match number 7.
Is your Red Alliance 479 to the Blue Alliance 423. It is 5 RP, 4 RP for your Red Alliance, 1 for the Blue.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. Build your alliance with so many other FIRST alumni who go to Kettering University. Every student at Kettering experiences their cutting-edge co-op programs that seamlessly blend the professional and academic worlds. Kettering co-ops are a fully immersive working experience at the leading edge of industry. Head on over to kettering.edu/first to learn more about their incredible programs and to get more information.